welcome to Bed Books and Beyond. I am Allison. I am the Education and Programs Manager with Above and Beyond Children's Museum, and we're going to get started with our first book of the series. We're going to be every Monday at 7:30 p.m. We'll be joining a different staff member with a new book, and you can tune in to our YouTube channel. We'll try to put some reminders up on Facebook. We'll also post the video on Facebook and Instagram for, if you can't make it on the Monday, no problem at all. But we'd love for you to join us. If you are interested in getting a kit from us, they are available for pickup. And we're just asking for a $5 donation. And in those kits, we do have a reading log that you'll get monthly. So if you pick it up in the beginning of the month, which is great, and or you can pick it up anytime and enjoy all the things that are inside. But you'll get a monthly reading log that just gives you a little reminder of BB&B, Bed Books and Beyond, each Monday. And you can stamp, you can put stickers, you can check it off, whatever you want to do to just put down if the other times that you've read. And obviously, if you're sitting with us, then you can check off your Monday. Also in there, we have a coloring page. This is actually week 1, so this will go along with the book that I'm reading today. And every week you'll have in your packet a new coloring page and a little set of crayons to go with it. Also, we have a pass in there, a 1-day child pass for you to come and visit us at the museum anytime. So we'd love for you to have you there. And also we would love to thank Just Kids Dental. They have provided us with a drawstring bag and also a new toothbrush and toothpaste to go in your kit. So you can enjoy that for the month. And if you join us in March, you'll get a brand new set. So just come on in. And without further ado, we're going to start our story. But before you do, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you click the notification button, then you'll get a notification when our videos are about to go live. And that's this way you won't miss any stories on Monday. So here we go. Okay, the story today I'm going to be reading is called The Giving Snowman. It's a sweet story, and I know we haven't had much snow here in the Sheboygan area to build snowmen, but maybe coming soon. I don't know. I don't want to jinx it. Okay, so this one is called The Giving Snowman. One snowy evening, Snowman stands alone in an open field. His eyes and mouth are made of little pebbles. His nose is a carrot. And he has 2 sturdy sticks for arms. He wears a big hat and has a thick scarf wrapped around his neck. A bird stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear bird?" asks Snowman. "The snow is too heavy. My nest has fallen down. My babies and I have lost our home." "Don't worry, bird. You have my hat. It's big enough for you and your babies to rest in." "Thank you so much," says bird, and off she flies with the hat. A rabbit stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear rabbit?" asks Snowman. "The snow has covered my whole ground. My family doesn't have any food to eat, and we're very hungry," says Rabbit. "Don't worry, Rabbit. You can have the carrot from my face. Your family will have something to eat tonight." "Thank you so much," said Rabbit, and off she hops with her carrot. A farmer stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear farmer?" asks Snowman. "Our house is very cold. I need to light our fireplace for my family, but we don't have any wood left. I only found some coals." "Don't worry, farmer. You can take the sticks from my body and use them to start a fire for for your cold family." "Thank you so much," says Farmer, and off he goes with the sticks. A traveler stops in front of the snowman, shivering. "What's wrong, dear traveler?" asks Snowman. "I forgot to bring a winter coat before I left for my journey. I have walked a long way and I am freezing." "Don't worry, traveler. You can take the scarf from my neck to warm yourself." "Thank you so much," says traveler, and off he goes with the scarf. The next day, the snow stops and the sun comes out, and the snowman starts to melt. Soon he has only a little bit of his body left. Bird, Rabbit, Farmer, and Traveler come back to check on Snowman. "Oh no," cried Bird. "The snowman has melted," said Rabbit. "We must do something," said just Farmer. "To repay his kindness for helping us," said Traveler. The four of them work as a team to rebuild Snowman. There he is, melted. Traveler stays and builds Snowman's body with large balls of snow. Farmer goes back to his farm and he gets a carrot. Rabbit hops to the woods to look for 2 sticks. And Bird flies to the pond to pick up some pebbles. When Traveler finishes building Snowman's body and head, he uses the carrot from Farmer's for Snowman's nose, the sticks from Rabbit for the arms, and pebbles from Bird for the eyes and mouth. Then Traveler takes off his hat and puts it on Snowman's head. Snowman is back. He is very happy. "Thank you so much for rebuilding me," says Snowman with a smile. "Of course, Snowman. Thanks to you, my babies and I had a new home last night," said Bird. "Thanks to you, our family had food to eat last night," said Rabbit. There they are, sleeping in the hat and feeding his bunnies. "Thanks to you, our family was warm last night. And thanks to you, I made it home to my parents last night," says Traveler. Snowman smiles. "Thanks to you, to all of you, I'm back to being a snowman. I will always help when others need it." Everyone nods in agreement, and they became good friends with the giving snowman. So it's just a nice, sweet story about using what you have and just to help out others, being kind and generous. So again, my name is Allison, and thank you so much for tuning in to our very first Books, Bed, and Beyond. And we hope to see you next week. And yeah, check out our Facebook page again for everything that comes in the kit. And you are welcome to stop by when we are open to pick one up. Again, just for a $5 donation. Otherwise, just join us anytime. We love having you. And stay warm. Bye.